iPhone X 2018 will reportedly switch gears from the usual Qualcomm Intel strategy, and we're worried. Deals for Project Fi make it sweeter than ever for you to get a phone with one of the best network alternatives, and more information claims that the Huawei P20 will be about more than just cameras. I'm Jaime Rivera, and I just spent Super Bowl Sunday recording this because I'm traveling again. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals. We cannot stress enough how much we recommend Project Fi. It's probably one of the coolest services out there, particularly for roaming or if you want to go unlimited without paying so much money. And the company now offers something very interesting. The original Pixel XL for $549 with Fi, or you can go for the Moto X4 for $249, which is pretty much what you'd pay down for installments. And the Moto X4 is actually a phone we recommend a lot, so you can learn more about it in the description. Deal ends by February 14. Now, for those of you that join me in frustration over how long Samsung takes to get you an Android Oreo update, Samsung's customer care just came clear that by the end of February, we should expect to have our Oreo updates. The only thing the company is not guaranteeing is when each region is going to get the update, but at least it seems that the company continues on its usual strategy of leaving updates until the next phone launches. I hate that. And speaking of Oreo, XDA developers recently kind of unraveled that the Huawei P20 may be about more than just great cameras. We've heard about that triple lens camera and whatever, but even more interesting, Huawei is sticking to its guns of launching the latest and greatest Android on its new flagship. So we had Oreo with the Mate 10. Now this P20 apparently will bring Android Oreo 8.1. This is great. We can't wait to see exactly what we get, though we don't expect to know anything until mid-March pretty much. Now let's move the spotlight over to Apple and talk about issues, as the company has chimed in on two complaints. The first one being that the iPhone 7 and 7 Plus apparently have trouble connecting. You get no network, even if there is network. And the company has just launched a new repair option that you can learn more about in the description. Even more interesting, the iPhone X is having trouble with delayed calls. And this is actually rather complex. More details in the description as well. And yeah, we'll keep you posted as soon as the company acknowledges that there will be something done about the 10. And finally, the very interesting news today have to do with the iPhone X 2018 and Ming-Chi Kuo, KGI. We trust their reports a lot, and this time we hear that apparently Apple wants to change things with the whole Qualcomm versus Apple, Apple versus Qualcomm lawsuit. Apparently Cupertino wants to apply some pressure. The recent rumors were that we would get 70% modems from Intel and 30% from Qualcomm because of the CDMA capabilities. But apparently the new Intel chip is able to provide CDMA capabilities. So it seems that Apple wants to apply some pressure by not ordering modems from Qualcomm, which is a big deal. The biggest problem is Intel modems have not been great at all when it comes to connectivity. I mean, we actually look for what kind of modem we get on our iPhones because battery life is not great and reception is not great. We can usually trust Qualcomm for this. So it leads me to the question today. I mean, is it a deal breaker for you? Are you the type of person that actually looks up if your phone has an Intel modem or Qualcomm, or you just don't care? Leave us a comment down below. In my case, I do care, and I hate that my phone has an Intel modem. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. You can watch last week's Pocketnow Daily up here and our thoughts on the Samsung Galaxy S9 down here. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow from somewhere.